Literally looks so good, fam.
Yours looks so...
We are now on our way to do a little hike. What's up, fam? Welcome back to another vlog here in Hawaii. Today we are basically just gonna maybe do a circle the island type of vlog. The boo is off today, so we're excited just to check out some places and probably touch some grass, fam, because it's been a minute. I need to reconnect, and yeah. We are now in Chinatown. We're actually heading to like drink type of place, and I'm probably gonna get a mango matcha because I'm obsessed and mango season is about to be over. So this is Chinatown, fam. This is usually poppin' at night. Fridays, first Fridays, it's this whole street is filled with people, like lines. Yeah,
Yakking on the sidewalk, buses coming through.
yep, it's wild. And
Ox, lion, is that tiger? The dragon, the snake, the horse.
that's cool. It's all the Chinese zodiacs. That's lit.
Wow.
The more you know. Hire us as tour guides,
I did
fam.
not know that. After however many years of living here.
Yeah. The Daily is also apparently a good burger place. We haven't been, but we are definitely going to check it out in another vlog, fam.
Sure, next time, look, it's popping.
Yeah.
So that's safe.
Okay, fam, we are here. Powai by Pono Potions. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Cute. They got some merch, fam. I already know. Some total. I like that one. Oh, graduate? Literally looks so good, fam.
Yours looks so good.
Yeah, yours also looks really good.
Not getting matcha.
Had to do it, fam. Fam, mango matcha. I'm used to matcha with my creamer, so we'll see on that.
I'm dead.
Mango matcha. We'll see. This is the taste test, fam. It's pretty good. Definitely 100% taste the matcha. But it's actually pretty good. Like, I could drink it. Cheers. Not too shabby. Definitely better than another one I've gotten before. Like other matchas. Like, I definitely prefer this over a regular matcha. So
They got that ceremonial grade matcha.
I already know. So you got the roasted magnut one.
roasted magnut one.
It looks like cereal.
Yeah, pre-mixed.
Oh, that mixed up so easily.
I was gonna get a matcha, but since he was gonna get one, he didn't like his. Then I know we'd have to switch. Just in case.
Cheers. Like it?
I love it.
You really like it?
You can really taste the coffee though.
But you like it?
I like it, yeah.
That's good. Taste mine too. Let's see.
Right. Oh yeah. Right?
Yeah, you can taste the coffee,
Taste
but
the coffee, yeah.
but it's like alright.
Let's see. I see what you mean. You can taste the matcha.
Yeah.
But it's
good.
nonetheless, yeah.
Yeah, it's a vibe. And this place is such a vibe. We love it. It's so cute.
Yeah.
On to the next place, fam. lucky we live high, huh? What's up, fam? We are now on our way to do a little hike. We are now ready to touch grass because it's been a minute. And
indoors way too long.
Yep.
I'm just kidding. Not like we just came from vacation.
I'm dead. Not like we just came from Kauai, but
you know, a week.
yeah, we had to touch grass for sure. And yeah, so we're now at Judd Trail. I think this used to be called Jackass Ginger Ponds, but I'm also not sure. I've never done this hike before, even though we're local. We're just walking to the river, fam. Which way do you want to go? Right or left? Left? Yeah. Oh, we got Mr. Hot Stuff in front of me. I said no free shows. Yeah, this is beautiful. And here's the water, fam. Oh, I guess we could have jumped. We could swim. What the heck? And here's the pond, fam. Yeah, fam, the falls are so nice. Kind of busy, but it's cute. We love it. Hey, Gandalf.
You shall not pass.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn. Look how clear. The water's so clear too, but like I like how it's just like a little misty, you know, in those little spots. And we're done, fam.
2 hours later.
What's up, fam? We are now checking out the new Chubby's Burger place. Boarded Up Burgers, fam. Yes. It's so much smaller. Cheers. Hog lemonade. Oh my god, it looks so good, fam.
It's yummy.
Yeah, we just came to the park to eat it because there was no seating there.
Hop in there.
But we're excited. We're gonna get to eating, fam, because we're hungry.
I'm starving.
Yep.
I've been hungry.
Yep.
Very POV. The aioli is really good. The aioli is really good.
Big brother. Yes. Cheers.